Do you know any heart attack survivors that are so stressed out that they're afraid to go to sleep because they think they might not wake up? Hi, my name is Audrey Weidman. I'm a coach that coaches heart attack survivors. I help them to regain their confidence, positivity, and sense of life balance. I'm qualified to do so because I'm a heart attack survivor and I went through this. A couple of months after my heart attack, I realized I had to change my stinking thinking. That stinking thinking caused the stress that ultimately led to my heart attack, and it wasn't helping for my own healing. And so I set upon a journey to gain the skills I needed to create that positivity and sense of life balance. And what I have done is I've put together a guide that has a number of exercises or steps that people who are suffering from a heart attack can go through. They're all evidence-based. And in the description below or in the link below, there's a place for you to put in your name and email, and I'll send you that guide for free. Please pass it along to somebody that you care about or a loved one. Maybe it's you. It will help. Thank you.